Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel The Faiza Edits. Let me show you how I make Khaugina in my electric skillet today. If you ever need to cook in a bigger batch, this thing is seriously a lifesaver. But before we start, this channel is about sewing, smart cooking, meal prep and real mom life hacks. Also on this channel, I generally share how I manage cooking with kids, so I'm never focused on displaying perfectly arranged ingredients or fancy setups. This is literally how mom cooks in real life, on the go between everything else happening at home. Moving on to our electric skillet. First, I'm going to add olive oil and I'm directly pouring it from my oil dispenser. Since I've got this one, I never measured and I directly pour from this. I'll put the link in the description box below for this oil dispenser. Now heating up the electric skillet, and please keep in mind that this heats up really quickly and evenly. Now I'm going to add green chilies and I'll saute it for about a minute. My kids don't like it spicy, so I eventually have to remove this. Even though I love the flavor of green chilies, but it's not easy being a mother. So here goes our diced onions, and I'm going to saute them until they are softened, until they are like translucent. I'm not trying to make them golden brownish or so, just translucent. Meanwhile, the onions are cooking. Let's take a quick look at the chopper I use. It's a compact one. I link it in the description box below. I choose this size because it fits easily in my dishwasher and I can literally use it one-handed while holding the camera with the other. Moving back to our onions before they get burned, I'm now going to remove the green chilies, otherwise it's going to make it spicier. After that, I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin, zira, and then goes in our diced tomatoes. I am using 2 big size tomatoes, and now I'll give it a good mix until they get softened, avoiding any possible chance of kids being able to pick and remove those. And the trick is to add salt to taste right after we add tomatoes. Salt does speeds up the process of cooking tomatoes quickly. Now let's just cover and cook until it's completely softened. Here I'm beating about 10 eggs, and honestly, when I'm in a rush, I don't even whisk them. I just crack them straight into the skillet and gently fold them as they cook. Today the tomatoes needed a few more minutes, so I had time to whisk these. Let's check the tomatoes now. I don't like big tomatoes pieces in every bite, especially for kids, so I just press them down with the spatula and let them soften more. Now let's add our spices. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can skip coriander powder if you don't like the taste of it, but we like it, so I'm adding it. And let's give it a good mix until they are all well combined, and then we'll add our eggs. I'm finally pouring the eggs in here because the skillet is so wide, everything spreads out evenly and cooks so quickly. All I need to do is to gently keep mixing everything together, and once the egg starts setting, I keep folding them in until everything combines nicely. And once it combines nicely, I will simmer it with the cilantro and green chilies that I removed, probably for 5 more minutes, and then it's ready. Since Ramadan is coming, let me share how electric skillet comes in especially handy during Ramadan. You can cook a simple dish like this or any other dish after iftar, leave it right in the skillet overnight and just warm it up again for suhoor. So that basically means no extra pots, no microwave time, no occupying another stove. So for mom, it's basically a win-win. One pan cooking, less mess, and it even doubles as a small buffet server. If you're interested in this skillet, I have shared the affiliate link to this skillet in the description box below. It's truly a great kitchen addition. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.